How can I find the Wi-Fi settings on my Vizio TV?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing how to find the Wi-Fi settings on your Vizio TV. If you're having trouble connecting your TV to your wireless network, or you simply want to access the Wi-Fi settings for any other reason, you've come to the right place. Let's get started.
Locating the Wi-Fi settings.
To find the Wi-Fi settings on your Vizio TV, you'll need to navigate through the on-screen menu. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you find them. 1. Power on your Vizio TV and make sure it's connected to an active signal source. 2. Using your Vizio TV remote control, press the Menu button. This will open the main menu on your TV screen. 3. Now, using the arrow keys on your remote control, navigate to the Network or Settings option. The exact wording may vary depending on your TV model. 4. Once you've highlighted the Network or Settings option, press the OK or Enter button on your remote control to access the submenu. 5. In the submenu, look for an option called Network Setup or something similar. Again, the wording might differ based on your TV model. Highlight the Network Setup option and press OK or Enter. 6. Now, you should see the Wi-Fi settings on your Vizio TV screen. This will display important information such as the available Wi-Fi networks, the current connection status, and any other relevant settings you might need to configure. 7. Use the arrow keys on your remote control to navigate through the Wi-Fi settings. If you want to connect to a new Wi-Fi network, look for an option like Wireless Network Setup or Scan for Networks. Select that option and follow the on-screen instructions to connect to a new Wi-Fi network.
Troubleshooting tips.
If you're having trouble connecting to your Wi-Fi network or experiencing any connectivity issues, here are a few troubleshooting tips you can try. Make sure your Wi-Fi router is turned on and functioning properly. Restarting your router can sometimes resolve connectivity issues. Check the Wi-Fi password you're entering on your Vizio TV. Ensure it is correct, as even a small typo can prevent a successful connection. Move your TV closer to the Wi-Fi router if possible. Sometimes, distance and physical obstacles can weaken the Wi-Fi signal strength, leading to connectivity problems. Update your Vizio TV's firmware. Occasionally, software updates can improve Wi-Fi performance and address known issues. Check Vizio's official website for any available firmware updates for your TV model. That's it for today's video on how to find the Wi-Fi settings on your Vizio TV. We hope this guide has been helpful in assisting you with your Wi-Fi setup. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll do our best to help you out. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.